Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always
a coin
teaching.
for a
So
no.
all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching.
Watch out.
So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll talk. See you after the show.
Look out.
Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen, and we'll hear God talk. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen, and we'll see you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll
Come out wherever you are.
see you after the show.
Jeffrey here,
I needed
the
that.
visitor. I'm afraid you've missed the
If
party.
you need help,
The guest of honor
call
has
me,
already
sir.
left.
I needed
You
that.
won't be leaving, though.
Welcome.
I'll see to
If
that
you need
now.
help, call on me.
Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show.
Are they gone? I was too afraid. I just couldn't move. I could hear the screaming, but I just couldn't move. He killed them all. Just slaughtered them.
Yes, master.
I saw his face. I saw the King of Worlds.
Yes, sir. I say just
I
right.
couldn't believe my eyes.
Just right, boy.
I think the only reason I'm alive is because I was invisible.
Do not worry.
But even so, I think he saw me.
Yes, master.
He killed them,
You
one
may
by
not
one.
touch my brandy.
Volonar was last, I think.
Yes, sir.
He was trying to run away, but he
That's
didn't
right,
make
boy.
it, did he?
Amen. I was fooling.
The King of Worms stood over him
Do not worry.
right before he died. And he, well,
Yes, master.
it looked like he sucked out
You may not
Volonar's
touch
soul.
my brandy. Water boy.
He said something about
Yes, sir.
Echo Cave
I say just
and destroying the Mages Guild.
That's right, boy.
Then
Amen.
he looked right
I
at
was
me
fooling.
and grinned.
Do not worry.
You've got to do something. You've got to tell
Yes,
Archmage
master.
Traven.
On me. You may not touch my
He
brandy.
might come back if he
Water
knows
boy.
I'm still here.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not staying
I
here.
say just right.
I'll go to
That's
the
right,
Imperial
boy.
City.
Amen.
Hannibal
I'm
Traven
fooling.
can protect me.
Do not worry. Watch.
It's not safe
Hi,
here.
I'm
Leave before
Gerbert.
he comes
Hey,
back.
you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen. And we'll talk. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what?
Any word from Jean in
barely
Bruma?
touched anything. I'm sure that whatever
He
minor
was the
alteration
only one
may
left.
have occurred will go
This is
completely
worse than I
unnoticed.
thought.
That could be any kid running a
From
time
what he's
machine.
told you,
See?
Manny
My
Marco,
hair
the
is
King of Worms, is here in Cyrodiil and preying on our guild.
I barely touched
This is
anything.
something I'd never
I'm sure
have
that whatever
dreamed.
minor alteration may have occurred
We'll need a
will go
few days to
completely
digest
unnoticed.
this new
That could be any kid
information.
running a time machine.
Should
See?
Jaskar arrive
My hair
here,
is
we'll see to it that he's
completely
well
different.
taken care of. Thank you.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching us. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen, and we'll hear God talk to us. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Because God is always teaching us. So all we gotta do is watch real close and listen, and we'll hear God talk to us. See you after the show. Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the show. But right after the show, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about what we learned. Yeah, because we always learn stuff, you know why? Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what?
Before we continue, you should speak to Raminus Polus about your advancement within the
Call on
guild.
me.
Hi, I'm Gerbert.
You too.
Hey, you know what? It's time to watch the
Well
show.
met.
You may not touch my
Truly,
property.
you are an
Boy.
asset to the guild.
Yes, sir.
I reward you with the
I
rank
say
of
just
wizard
right.
and teach you
Just
a
right
most
for a
powerful
man.
spell.
I was fooling.
Hi, I'm Gerbert. Hey, you know what?
At the worst possible time, the council is in ruins.
prosperous.
A course of action could not be agreed upon. Some felt that we are in danger of being exterminated and that it is time to fight back.
I can't find anybody
Others
cool
felt it
enough.
appropriate to fight fire with fire, as it
There
were.
he is.
The
There's
council
my
has
man.
shattered,
Stop
and
the
artifacts
car.
have been lost. The necromancer's amulet and the bloodworm helm have been taken.
It's most discouraging.
A group of mages led by Erlab Jarol took the helm and have retreated to Fort Telemann in an effort to study it further. They hope to learn enough from it to find some way to fight Manimarco. I tried to dissuade them, but it was no use. I would like the helm returned so that it may be kept safe here in the university. I fear Erlab has made himself a target for the necromancer.
Most discouraging. Everyone is so prosperous.
Pranya insisted on removing it from the university. She said it posed a threat to the safety of the Imperial city. While I do not doubt that she was right, I question whether her motives were genuine. She seemed all too eager to explore its power. I fear she is not safe from the minions of the King of Worms. She is at Fort Onta. Please go there and return with the amulet.
Stop the car.
Help her to see that she should not use the weapons of the enemy, especially out
May I
of
have a
fear.
word with you?
You know what?
Secure
It's
those
time to watch
artifacts
the
before
show.
it's too late.